Witness the incredible journey of sweet corn, harvested at peak perfection and transformed into premium milk and starch.
The south bin is almost full. Roger that. Bringing the truck around now.
This state-of-the-art complex marks the shift from agriculture to industrial-scale food production. The flow rate is holding steady at 500 units. Good, keep monitoring the vibration levels. The specialized dewatering conveyor allows excess water to drain, while precisely controlled sheets of filtered air ensure the husks are exceptionally clean and dry. The sweet corn officially arrives at the shelling department, ready for the next major manufacturing stage. The documentary continues seamlessly as perfectly cleaned and inspected sweet corn enters the automated husk removal line inside the shelling department. As wet milling begins, the grinders gently break down the kernels into a uniform slurry, preserving the natural starch structure for maximum product quality. As the wet milling begins, hydrated sweet corn kernels are gently broken down into a uniform golden slurry, preserving product quality. The wet milling stage begins by combining the freshly milled sweet corn with precisely filtered, purified water to create a stable processing mixture. The continuously soaked corn mixture flows into temperature-controlled hydration vessels equipped with advanced industrial thermal regulation systems. The freshly screened starch-rich corn slurry flows forward through the sanitary transfer pipeline network. Here in the extraction department, the refined corn suspension is gently processed, yielding the first stream of rich, creamy, golden corn milk. The pressure differential looks stable across all modules. Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal, and we are maintaining efficiency. The concentrated starch suspension flows into the protein separation system, where hydrocyclones isolate the lighter protein fraction from the denser starch. Further purify the stabilized starch suspension through multiple precision washing cycles, removing remaining soluble impurities. The automated system precisely measures the moisture content of the cornstarch, ensuring long-term stability and premium quality. The automated system begins the rheological analysis, ensuring consistent creaminess across every batch. Synchronized electronic release signals activate throughout the production facility. Sanitary outlet valves open automatically.
Using precision aseptic technology, the creamy corn milk flows smoothly into every bottle at a...
As the bottles move rapidly along the conveyors, synchronized laser marking heads apply the production date and traceability codes without interruption. The nationwide truck fleet has arrived, completing the logistics phase. Premium corn milk and cornstarch now enter the regional distribution network.
This is so good. It really is the best way to start the day.